welcome back to my channel. My name is Iyana if you are new to my channel, and just go ahead and press that subscribe button because we are cool kids here. Go ahead and press that subscribe button and that notification bell as well to be notified for when I upload videos. But today I am going to be showing you guys how I achieve these Marley twists. I do them all the time on my own, but the one thing I did different this time was add these little like loose strands to my hair to have like that kind of faux lock goddess feel to it. So that's the first time I ever did that part. But other than that, I always do my own Marley twist. It doesn't really take me long. It takes me like 6 hours at the minimum. But let me stop rambling so you guys can get into the video. But I hope you guys like the video and stay tuned.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my Marley twist today. Already had a piece of hair sectioned off already, and I'm just going to go ahead and work some water in. Once I work the water in, I put in a moisturizer. I'm using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream, and I work that throughout my hair as well. And then I go in and put some oil on top of that. And then after the oil, I go in and use my shea butter to seal everything in. The type of hair I'm using is by Urban Beauty. It's the Afro Kinky braiding hair, and it's in the color 27. And then I take 2 strands from the packet and I pull each strand to make them uneven to make the twist a little longer. And then I split my hair into half. Then I take the hair and place it in the center of where I parted my hair in half. And then I take one side at one time and I twist one side clockwise and the other side counterclockwise. Once I do that, I cross the two, like to form a 2-strand twist, and I go ahead and twist regularly. Once I reach the end of where my hair stops, I add one more strand of hair to that, and I place that in the center of where the twist is at. And it's so hard to explain this, but I twist both strands together and I start regularly 2-strand twisting to make the twist longer. Make sure you also put something at the base of your hair because it will get tight. But once you reach the end of the twist, go ahead and cut that small straggly piece off because that's unnecessary. And then I'll go ahead and move on to the front. The only thing I do different when I get to the front is I add edge control to my edges to make them look a little sleeker. That's the only thing I do different around my edges. Once I reach the end of where my hair starts to end, I put one strand of hair in between where the 2-strand twist is opened at, and I just wrap it around the hair and my hair that's already connected to the twist. And I also wanted to show you guys my parting process. I do not use a rat tail comb because I just don't. I use my fingers to part on my entire head. If you are a person that loves straight parts, go ahead and use a rat tail comb, but I'm not really crazy about straight parts like that. I use my fingers and I feel for where the part should feel straight, And I also use a mirror to make sure it looks a little decent, not too crazy. But I just use my fingers to part my hair in general. Once I finish my entire head, I go ahead and get some hot water, a towel, and 2 scrunchies to separate my hair in half. So I'll be able to dip my hair into this hot water. Be careful with this hot water because you do not want to burn yourself. So I just go ahead and put half of my hair into the water, and then I take it out and use a towel to dry off all the water. And as you can see, once I show you guys, half of the head that's dipped into the water, you can actually see it looks a lot smoother, and the other half looks a little crazy and wonky. So I just go ahead and do my entire head. Once I do that, I decided to add some jewelry, hair jewelry to my hair. I used 2 packs of 6 hair jewelry, so that was 12 in total, and I just randomly put it on random strands of hair. The final thing I did to my hair was add this loose curl. It's by Lulu Tresses. It's deep wave, 18 inches, and it's in the color 27. I used 1 strand of hair, and then I split that strand of hair in half to make a smaller, skinnier strand so it can look more natural. And then I take a strand of my twist and I open it up. I put the strand of deep wave hair in between and pull it through the twist so it can be like a loop, and I pull the hair through the loop and pull it down. And then I go ahead and use some scissors to taper it and to shorten it because it was a little too long. But I do that to my entire head. I didn't show the full process of me putting the deep wavy hair in my head, but I did it all around my head.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments section below. Make sure you guys also follow me on my social media, which will be in the description at the end of this video. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, do all that, because I would love to have you guys along for my journey and on my YouTube channel and seeing you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next one.